I'm Anil Kumar, and in this series, I'm sharing with you some challenge questions on rational expressions. This one is with complex fractions involved. We need to simplify the following rational expression. It is 3 over x minus 2 minus 5, everything over 4 plus 1 over x minus 2. So, see how we should do it. So, in this case, we have a complicated numerator in the form of fraction. Let's take common denominator of x minus 2 in the numerator. So the numerator denominator is x minus 2 for you, and what we get here is 3 minus 5 times x minus 2. In the denominator also we can take x minus 2 as a common denominator, and what we get is 4 times x minus 2 plus 1. Now we can always simplify this part, but let me do two operations here. One, we will expand this where we get 3 minus 5 times x, and minus 5 times minus 2 is plus 10, divided by the denominator, which is x minus 2, and this is divided by this factor. So let me write this as, after expanding, 4x minus 8 plus 1 divided by x minus 2, correct? Now, division is same as reciprocal of multiplication. So let's simplify this also. We have minus 5x, and 10 plus 3 is 13, divided by x minus 2 times. So division is converted to multiplication, so we will have reciprocal of this function. So we get 4x minus 7. Do you see that? Now we can simplify it and get our result. So the result is minus 5x plus 13 over 4x minus 7. So that is how we are going to solve rational expressions involving complex fractions, right? It is important when you solve, you should also write restrictions, and the restrictions are that x is not equal to 2, and in this you can also find the restrictions because we flipped it, right? 4x minus 4 should also not be 0, and therefore, and the restriction is x is not equal to 7 over 4. Don't forget that part, right? So we have to find restrictions related to both numerator and the denominator for the divisor. So these are the restrictions, and that is the simplified form of the given rational expression. I hope the steps are absolutely clear and they help you to solve such complex fractions involved in rational expressions. Thank you.